Just got done checking in.
Welcome on board. 機内の安全についてご案内します。必ずご覧ください。
Fukuoka guys, and I'm like so excited. Time to get to my hotel. Hi guys, so I'm in Fukuoka for a couple of days and I'm staying at this hotel. Inside is already beautiful and I plan to show you guys maybe the room or maybe some parts of the hotel. But yeah, I'm in Fukuoka for a couple of days and I'm excited. Let's go! I got to the airport around 4:45-ish and then I took the train. Very easy to find. You can just jump on the Kego line and I was actually going near Akasaka station. That's where my hotel is, like about 12 minutes walk from that station. It's very lively around the station, by the way. Got to my hotel in no time, checked in digitally. Because I live in Japan, I didn't have to like check in with my passport, but if you are traveling from other parts of the world, then yeah, they will ask you to check in with your passport using this automated check-in self-serve kind of machine. It takes like about a minute to get settled in, checked in, and get your room key. The machine prints out every single thing, like all your breakfast tickets. Like we have breakfast for like 6 days. It even gives you a ticket for the public bath that this hotel has. Yes, you heard correctly. The hotel has a public bath that is open until midnight, from 7 to midnight, and like that's kind of really cool. I like that vibe. I really like that vibe. I walked around the area a little bit and I found a really dope ramen shop. Let's go eat some dope ramen. We're having ramen. Wow. Guys, look at that. Amazing. Beautiful. I'm gonna enjoy my ramen and then I'm gonna catch you guys later because this is just too good. Definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. I think the chefs in Fukuoka and Kyoto are amazing because they don't rush the food, they take their time and the technique look right and everything just tastes really good. I want to show you all something. Tony finished her ramen first, you know. She said it was amazing.
It wasn't clean around.
Exactly. So yeah, I ate the ramen sweating and all of that, but it was good. Absolutely the best I've tasted, and I've just landed in Fukuoka. Like, I'm already happy. Make sure you check out this ramen spot. So it's called Hide-chan Ramen, and you can come here. It is absolutely amazing, and yeah. if you're gonna go to shopping mall, I recommend you go there early because it's a Friday night and they're closing already. So that was a bit surprising, but they have a nice shopping mall and they have a really good liquor store. If you're trying to buy liquor, if you're trying to get some booze, then yeah, the liquor store Yamaya is close by here. Second thing I want to do is show you guys where we're gonna eat in the morning. This is the breakfast area. It's beautiful. Love the fact that this hotel looks like one of those new hotels, like it's been here a little while now, and they have a buffet style for breakfast and you can eat here. This is the area where you put your plates when you're done eating, so that's fantastic. Now I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my room, so let's go. Alright, come on into my room. Here we are. As soon as you come in, we got the door right here. There's a mirror right here, which is really cool. It's very long and I really love that because I like to look at all of me, so I'm happy that they have a nice mirror right there. They have a few hangers that they put right here, which is really convenient. You just hang your jackets right there if you have stuff that you want to hang. And then in the room we have this one here, a double bed, and other rooms have twin beds, but this one has just a double bed. Huge screen TV. Yeah, the view outside is not so great. It's just a parking lot. Can't even really see anything right now because it's dark, but yeah, that is outside. Nice little lamp there. Trash box is here. Hair dryer, slipper if you want to wear these slipper. Chair right here. You have like a kettle, cups, glass, a refrigerator, very tiny one, but it works. 1,200 yen. This is new to me. I've never paid accommodation tax before, but this hotel has that. The public bath, if you want to use the public bath, there is like password on there and all of that you need to use to get in. All of these other ones are the breakfast tickets. This hotel has a masseuse and they give you massages. Like, these are the times, these are the prices, so you can book your massage. And that's my travel bag. I haven't packed out my suitcases yet, but that's it right there. This is the bathroom right here. Love the door. Love what's going on here with the door. They're trying to make it colorful and vibrant. There's a towel. We got shampoo and conditioner, body soap. There's even an outlet right here. You can plug stuff in. The bathroom is so tiny and you wonder how they managed to fit everything in here, including this little dustbin, but it is really functional. You have the bidet, you have power, you can make the seat hot if you want, and things like that. Y'all know Japanese toilets are really fancy, so this is really cool. You will find the tiniest hotel in one of the most beautiful places, and they just have everything you need. I don't know how they do it, but they always do. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, day 1 in Fukuoka, on my tiny hotel tour and the surroundings of my hotel, the ramen shop, and the dope places that you can actually go to right near the hotel. And I hope you guys will stick around for the rest of the videos that I will be posting about Fukuoka. So thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the other videos. Bye!